Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be following a celebrity's recipe. Now I got this off of a website called Genius Kitchen, and from that site it says it is a Katie Couric lemon chicken. So that is the recipe we're gonna be following today to see how that actually comes out. So let's get to it.
Perfect.
Coat the chicken breast with flour. Dust off the excess flour. In a pan, melt the margarine and then add the olive oil. Then add in the chicken. Let the chicken brown on both sides. Then take the chicken out of the pan and off of the heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then whisk in the flour. Let that cook for a minute at medium to low heat. Then add in a cube of stock. Add in the water slowly while whisking. This is to make a bechamel. Let that cook for 30 minutes or until you get the thickness or consistency that you want. Add in seasoning, which was salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. Then add the chicken back into that and let that warm up. And then add in the chopped parsley and then stir a little bit. Yeah, so guys, that's the recipe. It came out better than I thought it was gonna be. There was a few things that I did change with it, like adding on the olive oil at some point. The chicken had sucked up almost like a lot of the oil, so I just added a little bit more for that. I do think maybe reduce the flour and make it maybe like 2 tablespoons. Other than that, the chicken was nice and tender, wasn't overdone, and wasn't dry. So guys, do go and try it out, and I'm gonna leave the link down below. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media links. Until next time, bye.